You're gonna see a lot of me. She's going away to somewhere. I'm not. I'm staying with mum, so she's going to record all my videos. Black jeans. She's going to be going to her friends. I'm going to be with mum, so she's going to record me. She don't like YouTube. And my phone is on 24%. Don't record people, that's just funny.
I'm trying to show the scenery outside.
I can record. I will.
Fingers are fluffy. Look what you've done.
We're on the... What train are we on?
Second train.
Yeah, I want to see how I look.
Don't you making shiny patterns when you're just back to your top? Look at it. Sit forward. Back it, and that's it. So like that. Now back, turn around a bit. No, turn the other way. See, make shiny things on the wall. She's got her own little personal disco.
Okay, so we're on our second train. So yeah, one more to go. We're going down. Bye.